Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. Well, the snow just passed through the storm, so now it's going to the east. So we had this last night, and we got like I guess this is like 3 to 4 inches of snow here. So Steve's starting to snow blow, and oh, you see those EJ's footprints going to school this morning. So that's what we're dealing with right now, guys. And well, it's sunny now, so it's already past. And I'm trying to help Steve here. I'm gonna plow the snow while he's doing the snow blowing. Okay, guys, be safe and stay warm. Right? Bye.